Okay guys, we're on the boat to go spend our Valentine's Day weekend in Siquijor. We made it with like 5 minutes to spare. So stay tuned, we'll show you around. Guys, we just arrived in Siquijor and there was a boat. And now we're going to go rent a motorbike and go to the resort. See you guys in a bit. Guys, we are at our first destination. We're at the Fish Foot Spa. Getting our feet. Got some big fish down there. And some small ones. Alright, we're going to enjoy. We are just hanging out here at the ocean side. The sun is hard in my girlfriend's eyes here, but you can see behind me. Really nice. Just to show you behind me here, the ocean. Yeah, very nice with the sun setting out here. And the infinity pool is that way, which you can see behind me too, right over there. But yeah, this is a pretty nice resort. It's more of a dive resort. It's actually the dive shop is owned by a Chinese guy, and really nice guy. He's telling me that business this year is, of course, extremely hurting because of nobody from China being able to come in, and they cater to a lot of Chinese customers. So it's a very empty resort right now. But we're gonna go have a cocktail and hang out and watch the sunset. Talk to you guys later. Behind me, you can actually go snorkeling here right off the resort. Here, you can climb down and snorkel right below here. So we might do that later, but we'll probably end up going to a marine reserve. And this will be your first time snorkeling, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So her first time snorkeling, and hopefully that will lead to scuba diving at some point.
God, that's
My
scary.
God. Scary, but we'll start with snorkeling first. It's a nice pool here that you can go swimming in. That one too? That one's not for swimming. Just this one, right?
Because that one is dirty, because if you swim here, like a germs is Florida the biggest. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So you gotta swim here. It's nice. Nice bikini.
Hi. Hello. Welcome to the little swimming pool.
Feels good though. Just one. We'll split.
One coco.
One cocoa.
One coconut a day keeps the doctor away.
That is tambal siya nga tubig. It's medicine. For kanang pula di ba kol?
Call?
Limbahon, munay limbahon.
Tambal sa UTI.
Alright guys, so we just finished eating breakfast over here. And now we're going to go and check out some waterfalls and maybe do some snorkeling and maybe the beach. We'll see what happens. And the waterfalls we're going to are...
We're going to in Cambugahay Falls in Siquijor.
Siquijor, yeah. We're here for Valentine's Day weekend, our first Valentine's Day together.
Yeah.
One of many, hopefully. All right, guys, we'll see you later.
Lagaan?
Lagaan?
Lagaan. Lagaan. It's Lagaan.
Lagaan Falls.
Lagaan.
Welcome.
Okay.
Welcome Siquijor from what country, sir?
U.S.
USA, and then from Bayawan.
from Baywan, but
His wife from Bayawan.
yes. But I've lived.
Maybe someday you get married, both of you. Maybe
Sana all.
That's good. Brother.
Sana oil. China oil. Okay,
You
yeah.
like jumping, ma'am?
Yes, she does.
Ma'am, try ka, ma'am. Wala lang siya diya, ma'am. Karang na-iligid, ma'am. Diya, karang siya iba po.
Pila din siya, pila kapit.
Kaya belum ka kamulangoy, ma'am.
We got the rope.
Mas time kaligo mong kuha ni, ma'am. Diya po maligo. Diya po
There's the rope to swing.
Pila kapit ni? No.
Okay, so she's getting ready to do the water. She's a little scared, but she can do it. Oh! Ouch, babe. Just spotted this nice church. We're going to go check it out. You can see it in the background and back here too. So we're going to go check it out.
Sir, swing.
Oh, okay.
Swing na daw, swing.
I know. slide? You slide? Alright, babe. Go. Come on. It's easy, babe. And I'll be right behind you. I'll be right behind you. Just like 4 feet. Yeah. I'll be right behind you. Guys, we are at, what is it called?
Cambugahay Falls in Siquijor.
Yeah, we're just enjoying the awesome weather and the water. You can see what's behind us here.
There are three waterfalls here.
3 waterfalls, yeah. There's some behind us. There's some right down here. And then further down, so there's 3. This is our 3rd waterfall.
Yeah, this is the 3rd one. The
Yeah.
first one is so much foreigners and so much
Yeah.
tourists. And which is here. Let's go here. Let's go.
Very nice. Look behind us here. There's some other waterfalls there. Yeah, so if you guys get a chance and come out to Siquijor, check out this place.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I'm sure you will enjoy, guys.
for sure. We're going to go check out, I think, another waterfall and then do some snorkeling or the beach.
Yeah.
Yeah. See you guys later. Bye. We're here at the beach. The waves are pretty rough today, so I don't think we're going to swim. But what is the name of this place?
Salagdoong Beach Resort.
Yeah, in Siquijor here. So, but if you want to come swim, check it out because it's really beautiful water. You can see behind me here.
Under waves.
Under waves.
Very waves.
And up there you can do cliff jumping. We'll go check that out here in a second. And then I think we're going to call it a day, go back to the hotel, and I think snorkeling tomorrow.
Yes.
Yeah. Popular place to swim. Looks like it's more popular actually. Babe, here. On our way home from Siquijor, back to Dumaguete, and it was a fun Valentine's Day weekend. And so yeah, so thanks guys for viewing and subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye.